friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I have a haul for you, and it's like a home decor, organization, kitchen kind of haul. But before we get into the video, don't forget to please subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. I will leave the handle down in the description box below. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. My brother really enjoys coffee, so he was with me on this trip and he decided to pick this up. He's really into the Dunkin' Donuts coffee, so this was a good deal. This was only $7.99 and it has 16 K-cups total. You know your girl loves makeup. With makeup comes organization and storage, so I was super excited to find these. So I'm going to show you the first thing, and the first thing is this deluxe acrylic cosmetic organizer. So this is what it looks like right here. Let me scoot back. I love this one. This one's kind of a bigger drawer right here, and this one was $24.99. So what essentially I want this for is to actually put this right here in front of my filming area, so I can keep like the products that I used most of the time or all of the time, so I don't have to be running over there to my makeup storage and kind of grabbing what I want or my essentials. So I'm going to keep my essential makeup products or maybe newer products in here so I can make sure and not forget to try them out for you all. So that's why I picked this beauty up, and she was only $24.99. Not sure if I mentioned that already, but she has 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is a bigger drawer. 3, 4, 5 drawers. Really pretty. So next up, this is a smaller version of the one I just showed you. Very cute as well, but a little bit smaller. So it's also an acrylic makeup organizer or just organizer. This was $16.99, and my brother actually picked this up for his girlfriend, so she's gonna go ahead and have this very soon. But I thought I would share it in the haul today because they also have some smaller versions, and it is so cute. Now, I've been looking for coasters for the past, well, let's keep in mind that I haven't been going out since March, but before that I always was looking for coasters. I just never found the ones that I really liked, but these are close enough, so I thought I would pick them up. These were only $6.99, and it comes a 4-pack of coasters, just like marble print coasters, and they're so pretty. I actually want the ones that have more of a gold rim around them, but these will do for now, and I'm gonna go ahead and start using them. Now, while we were at Homegoods, I couldn't resist stopping by the candle aisle, even though I couldn't smell anything because I was wearing my mask. But I saw this candle right here, and it is the White Orchid by DW Home, and it's just completely white. Such pretty packaging. So when I was in store, I wasn't sure if I was going to enjoy the scent because I couldn't smell it in store, but when I got home, I just took a risk. You know, you have to do that sometimes. If you like those male scents, like cologne scents, you're definitely going to enjoy the White Orchid scent. Plus the packaging is so gorgeous, and I mean, I couldn't pass this up. So this was only $6.99, and there's about 9 ounces in here. So I was very excited that I found such a pretty little candle, and I can't wait to start burning it this fall. Now I'm gonna try to get this next item in frame, but I got one of my dogs a big bed. This was only $14.99, and I really loved the color of this. It goes perfect with my bedroom, so my little pet that stays with me will be able to enjoy this, and of course she'll share it with her brothers and sisters once in a while. But yeah, I saw this and it was so cute, and she's a bigger dog, so I think she will love it. If you've seen my office and closet tour that I'm filming in right now, I do have these types of hangers in here, and they look like this. They're the velvet non-slip hangers, but the ones that are in this room are white, so they can like match everything in here. I bought these for my actual bedroom because I have a closet, a small closet in there, so I picked these up, and these were only $9.99 for 25 hangers, and they are so good and they save a ton of space. So I would definitely recommend you check out these velvet non-slip hangers because they are life-changing. Next up, this is actually from TJMaxx, but you know, they're sister stores, so we'll just throw it in this haul. But I bought this really pretty mint throw. So this mint throw is actually for my mama. This was on sale for $16, and it is so comfy. She loves her throws, and look at the bottom of this throw. How cute is that? So I picked that up for her. So randomly in here, I found this hemp oil body lotion, and it's by Premium Beauty, and it was $4.99. I believe I got this at TJMaxx. You can never go wrong with a good lotion. I also picked up this Ray Dunn diffuser. Such a cute little bottle. It says relax, and the scent for the fragrance oil is lavender and chamomile, just like the lotion right now. So I can't wait to go ahead and add this into our living room and just have the house smelling absolutely delicious and divine. So I went ahead and picked this up, and this was $19.99, a little expensive for what it is. I've never had one of these, and I thought I would give it a go. Oh, I picked this little cute basket up. Look at her, isn't she gorgeous? So I just love using baskets either in the bedrooms or in the living room as decor, or just to hold and house items in there. And this basket was only $6.99, and I thought that was such a great deal for how big the basket is. So pretty, and it's definitely something that's very in right now. I don't know what this material is called, but if you've ever gone to Homegoods or TJMaxx or Marshalls, you see this type of basket everywhere right now. So I thought I would pick up another basket because it was such a great deal. All right, friends, we're getting to the end of the haul. So next up, I have some like baking items, and you know, with quarantine and all of that came baking. So the first thing I picked up are these measuring cups right here. It's an 8-piece measuring set, and I loved the mint color of these. It comes with the 4 little spoons and the 4 little cups. This was only $3.99, and I thought that was such a great deal. I also picked up these stainless steel whisks, and I loved that this little set came with 2, so like a bigger whisk and then a smaller one. This set was only $3.99, and again, I tried to look for one that had a little mint color in it just to match the little measuring cups, and I did find it, fortunately. So I'm super excited to go ahead and start using these. I cannot remember why I wanted this item, but there was a recipe that called for one of these pastry blenders. We didn't have one of these, so while I was looking at the kitchen section, I saw this. This was only $2.99, and I thought I would just pick it up to have in hand in case we ever do need it. So yeah, just $3, and I thought it was a great deal for this little item. Next up, I picked up this 9-inch round cake pan. Believe it or not, we don't have one of these, so I had to grab it while I was in store. This was only $6.99. And last but not least, I grabbed these Nonstick cooling racks. So there's a 2-pack of them in here, and these were actually $9.99 for the 2-pack. We don't have any cooling racks, so when we bake cookies or we bake anything, we were trying to set them on plates, and it was just a hassle. So I picked this up just so we don't struggle anymore, and I'm excited to go ahead and use these. And that concludes the haul for today, friends. My favorite stores are TJMaxx, Homegoods, and Marshalls, and I'm so happy that I found these items. I'm also very happy that I had the opportunity to share them with you today. So don't forget, before you leave, to subscribe to my channel, and also leave me a comment in the comment section below letting me know what was your favorite item from the haul. That's gonna conclude the video for today. Thank you so much for watching, friends. I will see you on the next one. Bye.